Hi guys, this is another video by Captain Mike. Today, this will be a video that I don't often do. So today we will be doing a video of my friend doing the Rubik's Cube. He is very good at it. His highest score with a fully messed one was 30 seconds. Here he is.
Hey dude.
Okay, so
and
Alex,
I can maybe do a tutorial on my own, mirror cube.
Okay, so today Alex, my brother, he'll be messing the cube up as best as he could. Okay.
And sorry that my dad ripped a piece out.
Okay. Alex, start messing. Stop looking. Hey, stop looking. Move away. Okay, ma. Okay, guys, this looks pretty messed up. Shows the cube. Okay, master, try to solve it. Let's make a countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 39, 30, 31, 32, 33,
This isn't my real
34,
normal speed, guys.
35,
I can do even faster than
36,
this. My hands are
37,
really freezing.
38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57,
Look guys, I completed it,
58,
but one thing is wrong.
60, 1 minute, 1 minute and 2, 1 minute 3,
What is
1 minute 4, and he's done in 1 minute. So guys, this wasn't his normal speed. He said his hands are freezing, isn't it?
Touch this.
Okay, letting me touch this. It's not that cold, guys.
Yeah, but really seriously, because your hands are warm probably.
Guys, so this video will end here. Next video we'll do one him solving the ultimate mirror cube.
Wait, I'll go and get my mirror cube. I'll go and get the mirror cube and show you how it looks like, but next time I will show you how to solve it.
This is his house, by the way. Very nice house. That's his mom. That's his sister.
The lag girl, we call her.
Yeah, because she brings lag to computers and everything. Okay, this is his upstairs. He got a nice room. He got the X-Shot Max Attack here. Got a TV. Got the guitar, Superman.
This is the piece
And he ripped a piece out of his cube. Lol.
Where's the cube?
Couldn't find his cube, he says.
This time I'll go very quick, okay?
Okay, so he can't find the cube. He goes downstairs again. Oh my god! Guys, I can't catch up with him anymore.
Guys, sorry, I'm not allowed to I will not be able to show it today because
guys, so don't mind the crying here, okay? Because
my sister might be just punished.
yeah. So okay, guys, today we'll end this video here. Hope you liked that. Next time we'll try to find a video. No, I'll try to find the mirror cube ultimate. So he'll solve it with it. It's like a shape-shifting Rubik's Cube. So guys, like and enjoy if you like the Rubik's guy solving Rubik's stuff. Bye. I didn't do the bye thing. Bye.